Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free hand writable whiteboard software that works in any computer and smartphone. So without any further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Linode Butterfly, and you can see a tons of websites. So the first website you will see is a developer website, so you can go to this developer website if you wish, but I will highly recommend to go to the official website which the developer have created. So you can see this is the official website, or you can go to the developer website directly also. The first one is the developer website, but I will highly recommend to go to the official website, and you can see below one more link, a sublink from the official website. Just click on this. Now you will see here it's web page, and you will see here a download option. You can just click on download, and now you will see here this software is available for any operating system, whether you are using a Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and even you can use it in the web browsers also, or you can build up your own, or you can self-host also. So it's available for any computer or smartphone, whether your OS supports or not support does not matter, since it's available for the web portion also. By just using a web browser also, you can just use this application. So yeah, I'm gonna download a Windows version. You can use a web version also by going to the website link, and you can use it using your any web browser also. So I will just go to the Windows, since I'm using right now Windows. And you can see here there are two options. One is a stable, that is a stable version, and you can try the nightly, which is a beta version, as you can see here. And under the stable you will see here two more options like setup or portable. So I will download a portable, which does not require any installation. So let me download a portable version. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. Since I have downloaded a portable version, so I need to extract it. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder, and you will see here on the second list butterfly.exe file. So just double click it to run or open this software. So on opening you will see this kind of user interface. Just click on OK, and you can select a plain or a plain dark, which is dark in color. So I'll just select a plain which is white in color. So you can see here it's completely very simple, and let us give you a quick overview about the options that you are gonna get. So you can see here on the right side you are getting a hand, and if you click on it, you can see here you can include an eraser also, and next to it is a pen. If you click on the pen, it will show you the different colors that you can write, and if you want to resize everything, just click it again, and now you will see here you can increase the size of the pen markings, or you can stroke multipliers, you can change the color, zoom dependent, you can fill tons of options to customize your pen also. And next to it is a pot eraser. Similarly, you can just click on it, and you will get the options to customize for this option. Next to it is a text or label. You can just type anything with your computer keyboard also if you want to type, and you can just click on it again to do some settings for these options. And next to it is a create. You can just click on create, and you can select a shape and different like a eraser, layer, and area also. And next to it is a undo or redo, and you can pin always on the top if you want to pin this applications, or you can just enter the full screen. If you want to hide this text bar also, you can do it just by clicking on this. So you can see the text bar has been hidden. You can just exit the full screen if you want the Windows text bar again. So now if you click on this left icon, that is the application icon, you will see tons of options. You can see your zoom effect, change document font, new templates, open, can open any respective files which you have created using these applications, and you can import also, even you can export. Let us check what are the options available in the export firstly. So in the export you can save it as SVG, that is a vector graphics, or the data as a file, or you can save it as image also. And there are some project settings also, and let us go to the settings. What are more options that are going forward inside these applications? So the first one is the general informations about these applications, and the second one is the data. You can set the document directory or the output folder path where you want to save. You can set a date and format also under this data option. Let us jump to the next option is the behavior. Under the behavior you can select different options like the input. So you can enable the span only input also. If you have a touch screen on your respective computer or smartphones, then you can enable this option also. Right now also you can enable if you don't have a touch screen facility on your respective computer or smartphones. And you can see here next to it is a personalization. So here you can customize some themes, designs, and some like start color, so and so. And last one is the remotes. You can add a remote, some URLs or any website links here. So these are all about the settings that you will get inside this application. So now if you want to write, then just select a pen and select any color whichever you like. If you want a blue color, then select a blue, or if you want to select a black color, then select a black in color. So I will just select a black, and now you can just move your mouse cursor so you can write whatever you like. And if you want to erase it, just go to this plus option, just click on it, and you can get two types of eraser. There's a pot eraser as well as eraser. You can select whichever you like. So you can select the eraser, and now you can see here the eraser. Just click on it again, once again. Now you can just start rubbing. So if you want a bigger size eraser, then just click once again on this eraser again. Now you will get a stroke white. Just increase this, click on OK. Now you can see the size of the eraser has increased. Now you can rub it more quickly. So if you want to save this file, then just go to this option, so menu icon, and now just click on export. Now you can select any option. Say if you want to save it as image file, then just click on image, and you can just do some customizations or settings here. You can include a background, or you can make it transparent also, but I will include a background. And you can just click on export. Now locate to the folder where you want to export this file, and you can select here and just click on this save. Now let us go to the exported folder. So let me open this, so you can see here. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free hand writable whiteboard software that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.